but these worked out about £4. Maybe £3.75. I don't know what they're €4.5, but for £3.50, €4.5, whatever. Right, but you get 2 in a packet. The red one, which is no idea what size that is. It's not 22, by the way, so it's not 3/4 neither. So, but the one that does fit is this black one, right? It says 1/2 inch, but it actually goes in at 15mm. So what I do, I thought I'd try and set this up and then give you a little demonstration. But see if I can set this up on this stupid tripod I've got here. So give us 5 seconds. Can't even hold a door now. Okay, that's it. Now there's a bit of copper. Right, here's a bit of copper. You can see I've been messing about with these. Cleans it. A couple of little olive ridges there. Interesting enough, it gets quite hot as well. Let's try a dirty a bit. Right, here's a bit of dirty bit. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty fucking dirty, that, isn't it? Right. There you go. Probably doesn't work as well as a 35 quid ones, but for the money, find something else. Well, this one's got a cut, so obviously we're not going to clean that, but I'll just show you. Right, this is my first kind of video, just to try and be helpful, but I don't know how you guys make these videos, but this is just from an iPhone, so I hope it's alright.